You know I love to fix my hair, put my lipstick on, show off my favorite tattoo. You know I like to wear my little black dress that always gets that look from you. I like when you show me